Hello children, welcome you all back to online class. Okay, have you all completed the book front cover page? Yes, very good. Okay, so now I am going to teach one poem. Okay, you have to guess the name of the poem. Okay, now let me ask you some questions. Did you see rainbow? Yes. Where you can see the rainbow? In the sky. Very good. How many colors are there in the rainbow? 7 colors. What are the colors? Yes, can anyone tell me? Yes, it's violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So in simple it is called as VIBGR. So in the எல்லா colors oda first letter vechu one word is formed, that is called VIBGR. So V for violet, I for indigo, blue for green, blue for B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange and R for red. Okay. So can you guess me the topic which I am going to take? Yes, it is the poem The Rainbow. So move on to the lesson. So in this preparatory activity you have to circle the 7 colors in the rainbow. Here it is given many colors. You have to check the 7 colors in the rainbow and you have to circle that one. Okay, fine. The next thing, now move on to the poem The Rainbow. It's written by Christina Rossetti. See, you should not say it as poem. P-O-E-M is not called poem, it is poem. So how do you say poem? Very good. So now listen to the poem. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but the clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. So in the first line, boats sail on the rivers. Can you see boats? What do you mean by boats? Boat na nama padagu. Okay. Where we can see the boats? On the rivers. Boating poirkingla alla? Okay, fine, very good. And ships sail on the seas. Where we can see the ships? On the sea. Okay. So ships are bigger than the boats, isn't it? Yes. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. Sail means what? Medakkurathu. Sail na enadhu? Medakkurathu. Eppadi boat rivers la medakkudu, ships seas la medakkudu illaya, adu mari clouds paathirukoma nama sky la, adu alaga medandu pogum illaya, paathirukingala ellarum? Yes, very good. அது அப்படியே அழகா float ஆகி போகிறது எப்படி இருக்கும் பார்க்குறதுக்கு ரொம்ப pretty-ஆ இருக்கும். Okay, so that is the line. The poet is describing boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. So in the 4 linesல poet என்ன சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா, she is comparing boats and ships to clouds. So boats ships விட clouds வந்து ரொம்ப அழகா மிதக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Okay, so she is comparing boats and ships to clouds. So clouds are more beautiful than boats and ships. Okay children? Okay, see again I am read the lines. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but the clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. Okay, now move on to the next line. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Bridges பார்த்திருக்கீங்களாமா? Okay, எங்கெல்லாம் bridges இருக்கும்? We can see bridges over the railway track or over the seas, isn't it? So it connects one end to the other end, that is called bridge. So it also looks like a curve shape. Okay, so in this lines the poet is comparing bridges to the rainbow. So she is telling that but the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees. What do you mean by overtops? Rises over the top of something. ஸோ ஒரு இதை விட ரொம்ப உயரமாக, ட்ரீயை விட மேலே உயரமாக தெரிகிறது தான் ஓவர் டாப்ஸ். ஸோ ட்ரீயை விட ரொம்ப உயரமாக மேலே வந்து அழகாக ரெயின்போ வந்து கர்வாக தெரியுது. okay, and builds a road from earth to sky. So rainbow வந்து it is connecting from earth to sky. So earthல இருந்து skyக்கு rainbow வந்து ஒரு இதை connect பண்ணுது. Okay, is prettier far than these. So இந்த bridges எல்லாம் விட எது ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்குன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க? Bridges. It connects from earth to sky. Which is connecting? Rainbow. Very good. So the rainbows are more prettier than the bridges. That is given in these lines. Okay. So again I am reading. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Very good. So next thing, you have to do this one. Have you seen rainbow in the sky? If yes means you have to tick yes, if no means you have to tick no. And you have to describe the rainbow in one word. Okay, maybe it is beautiful or pretty or colorful, anything you can write in this dash. Okay children. Okay, the next thing is you have to write these 6 new words in your English classwork note. Okay, the first one is sail, then second one is pretty, third one is clouds, fourth one is bridge, fifth one is heaven, and sixth one is overtop. So as I said earlier, sail means medakkurathu, okay, floating. Pretty means beautiful, alaga. Clouds na megangal, okay. Bridge means it is connecting from one end to the another end. Heaven means like swargam, alaga. Overtop means romba vayarama mela theriyirathu, okay. The next one, self work for you. You have to draw and write the colors of rainbow in your English note. That is first one. And second one, write down the new words that you learned from the poem in your English note. So before நம்ம ஒரு 6 new words பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா, அதை வந்து நீங்கள் you have to write in the English note. Okay. Complete the book exercise in English volume 1 studio page number 1 to 3. So page number 1 to 3ல இருக்கிற exercise எல்லாமே you have